Nantucket is a beautiful island. It's why so many people come from far and wide to spend time here. Now we're about to show you some of the most incredible properties this island has to offer. Are you looking for a cozy cottage in downtown Nantucket? Look no further than 1A Birdsong Lane. What I like most about this property is the bedroom layout. You got one upstairs, one on the main floor living, two in the basement, and all with ensuite baths. I'm Jonathan Russell with Columbus & Over Group. Reach out to me for more information.